Hello.
Hello friends and welcome. Our lesson today is on ecology. It sounds like a big word. We will find out what ecology is and identify the uniqueness of our relationship with our environment. Ecology teaches us about our environment. It shows us the relationship between living and non-living things, how they depend on each other for survival and how they interact with each other. Ecology shows us how plants and animals depend on one another in many ways, but the most important way in which they depend on one another is that they eat one another. That is the most existential interdependence you can imagine. The members of an ecological community, for example, also give shelter to one another. Birds nest in trees and fleas nest in dogs, and bacteria attach themselves to the roots of plants. Shelter is another important kind of interdependent relationship. Ecosystem is a community where there is no waste. An ecosystem can be large or small. It is made up of two parts, the living part and the non-living part. But let's see how an ecosystem is organized. The first level of organization in our ecosystem is the individual level. An individual is a single animal or plant in an ecosystem. For example, a bird, a cockroach, a caterpillar, a turtle, a fish, even man. Individuals do not breed with other individuals from other groups. A goat won't marry a cow or a dog. So individuals do not breed with individuals from other groups. Animals, unlike plants, tend to be very definite with this term because some plants can crossbreed with other fertile plants. These plants are also individuals. A single type of plant is an individual. The second level of organization in our ecosystem is the population level. A population is made up of individuals of the same species living together and also reproducing, that is, giving birth to young ones. For example, a group of lions or a population of human beings or a herd of cows or a flock of chicken, etc. A group of individuals of a given species that live in a specific geographical area at a given time is a population. Note that populations include individuals of the same species. They must be of the same kind. It must be cow, 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 or pig, pig, pig. That's when you know this is a population of cows, a population of goats, a population of human beings. Though they might have different genetic makeup, such as their hair color might be different, their eye colors might be different, their skin colors or their sizes might be different, but they must be of the same species. They must be of same species. An example could be a group of sheep. They are all sheep, but they may have different wool color or their eye colors might be different. The third level of organization in an ecosystem is the community level. A community is made up of different populations. The goat population mixing and interacting with the cow population or the human population interacting with other populations. That makes a community. You can see different types of fish interacting with each other. This is community. Different wild animals interacting with each other, the giraffe interacting with the birds and other animals, that is a community. Humans interacting with other sea creatures, insects interacting with plants, and humans interacting with plants, that is a community. A community involves population, of organisms of different species. In a community, we can have a population of ants, cockroaches, mosquitoes, spiders living in a defined location or a particular place. A great community usually includes biodiversity, that is, a lot of different animals and plants living in a particular place. So a community have different type of plants, different type of animals living together in a particular area. The fourth level of organization is ecosystem level. Ecosystem includes more than one community of organisms interacting with the environment. At this level, note how they depend on other factors such as rocks, water, air, temperature to survive. In this level, we consider how living things interact with non-living things in their environment. For example, how humans interact with water, how fishes, birds interact with water, how we all interact with air, how we interact with soil. These are non-living things in our environment and we are interacting with them, and without these non-living things, survival in our environment will be very difficult. So in the ecosystem level, we consider how living things or biotic factors in the environment relate with the non-living abiotic factors. The key feature of this level is communities of living things interacting with non-living things in the environment. Our ecosystem is very complex. An understanding of it would help us properly protect and manage it for our good. With this understanding, answer the following questions, and I'll see you in my next class. Bye.